We're gonna die.
All right, so she had me pick some things from our basket of goodies, and I created a new basket of goodies because, we're hungry, we're making food, and we don't want, a lot of food to be a fat ass.
She also wants to see what she can take with her to work.
You would too if you worked as many hours as I do.
Yeah.
Okay. So no further ado, pick some shit.
I don't know what to pick. Let's pick what you were scared of first. Okay. Well, there's a lot of stuff that I'm like, meh.
Okay.
So,
you were the Einstein that told me to grab whatever.
True. Welch's,
so be careful what you ask for.
Welch's wholesome, delicious, dried Honeycrisp apples. These don't feel dry. They feel rather soft. So right off the bat, I'm already feeling dubious about this. And you just threw my game.
Oh. I didn't know they were games. I thought it was just like, chords.
Nope, it was games. Good thing Nintendo is very good at that kind of stuff. It smells kind of weird. There, little baby one.
That is not hard.
Nah.
It reminds me of those fucking tomatoes you got from the dollar store that said dried tomatoes. Remember?
Ugh. Nobody should eat that shit. That was terrible.
Okay, next.
Your turn. I wasn't looking forward to this, and I have to turn on light because we are being darkened and white out.
Well, I am white.
Not nearly as white as this. It's mysterious Oreos, which apparently you can win $5,000 or $50,000 if you guess the flavor. Are you going to play?
You can play.
I don't want to play. That smells odd. It smells familiar, but at the same time, I don't know if I want it. But then I hate Oreos.
I love Oreos.
And this thing keeps closing. Do you want another Oreo?
Yes, because that looks like it has cat hair.
It does not want me to have anything because it keeps closing. Well, it's not toothpaste.
Mm-mm. It
says it's a mystery cream. The mystery is why do these creams have this no flavor but flavor at the same time?
I don't know, but it's really good.
Because it kind of tastes fruity, but at the same time it tastes not fruity. Well, they wouldn't make this easy since they have the $50,000 prize.
It's good though.
It's not bad, but then again, I don't like Oreos.
I love Oreos.
Congratulations, you got Oreos. Now it's your turn to figure out what flavor they are.
Right, so I get to take Oreos home with me.
Congratulations, she has another snack for work. Okay, so I'll pick my torture. Wait, why am I picking this? This is spicy. We should leave this for last, right? Okay. Let's go with another torture. Before you say anything, my brother raided my food. I didn't open this to try it. My brother did. I saw this and I said, looks like something she will love. It is Ding Dong's peanut butter from Hostess. And apparently they have a Hostess peanut butter Twinkie.
Nice.
Look, it says right there.
No,
I'm pretty sure I'm not going to like this.
more snacks for me to have here.
If I have it nestled against me. That's really bready.
It's moist.
It's a weak peanut butter flavor.
Well, you don't always like peanut butter. I like how they accent the swirls with peanut butter too.
It tastes like boozy peanut butter.
I still like it.
Well, you also like booze. It's, I would say it's more of an adult sweet snack than a child sweet snack because it doesn't feel childish. It feels more adultish with the way it feels more boozy.
I've seen kids eat them before then.
Mm-hmm.
No, we can leave them here for me.
Whatever works for you. I didn't like them, but she loves them. But then again, I hate peanut butter.
She does. She hates peanut butter.
Which, considering how much peanut butter I have in my house, is kind of funny. I like crunchy peanut butter.
And I like creamy nuts.
That could be taken wrong. Okay.
Oh, shit. I thought that was my phone again.
Your phone's silver, not white.
Alright, go.
I picked up the last one.
Oh.
It's your turn to pick.
What else did I throw in here?
Well, no,
Let's do cookies.
Because we just did a pastry.
Yeah.
Little Bites from Little Bites cookies. They're limited edition. I got 50 cents off of these.
Do you have a timer on our food?
No, but they should be done in about a minute or two. They really got to label this right.
You would have pulled it out. You wouldn't have that problem. Look. And you didn't open it the right way. If you opened it the right way, it would be easy.
The other thing is, I don't smell our pastries, do you?
Are we each getting one or no?
No. Because we have a whole thing full of mini cookies in here.
Do you like cookies?
Yeah, always. But then again, at the same time, I'm not supposed to have a whole bunch of these.
I like the fact that they're soft.
They taste like brown sugar with chocolate chips.
I like them though. They're yummy.
I don't like them because they taste like brown sugar with chocolate chips.
I like them.
You don't usually like more? Putting them in the microwave for less than 10 seconds.
I've done it. Not with these, but with something similar.
You got snacks.
For now. That's how I eat them all. How many's in here? They're 6 to a bag.
Okay, so considering our track record with these, we got veggie chips. I got these out of a vending machine. These look like pea ones. And when we've done taste tests with veggie chips on here, we have not had a good track record.
It depends. Because we did like one of them.
I said not a good track record. Doesn't mean we didn't have an impossible track record. Why does it smell like a cat?
I don't know.
Well, it does, doesn't it? You're scared, aren't you?
Yes. They're green like a pea. It got salt on them.
And they taste like nothing. And they give me this uncanny feeling of that.
Compared to the other veggie chips we've had, these taste stale.
They also give me the uncanny feeling of biting my nails.
They taste stale.
They should be still good, but if they're stale, toss. Okay, what are you picking? Okay, I picked this up because Halloween. Wahaha. Our other Halloween one with the ice cream, that'll be coming out after Halloween, so it'll probably be more of a fall episode. So
it depends. What's your track history this week for work?
Thursday.
Off or work?
Work.
Plans for Wednesday?
Oh, wait, Wednesday's the day I have work and something else. Thursday's free.
Oh, so maybe Thursday I'll pop in.
Okay, so Chocula.
Maybe Thursday we can do ice cream.
Yeah, the only thing I have then is a doctor's appointment at 2-ish.
All right.
Well,
Gotcha.
Okay. So, this is adorable.
I like the cereal.
So did I. That doesn't look too bad at all.
Mm-mm.
It smells delicious.
Tastes just like the cereal. I like it.
Tastes a little stale from the cereal, but pretty good.
I like these. They're really good.
Should we eat the last bite together? Or?
You can have it.
Okay. Okay. So, browse these for a bit. I'm going to check on our thing.
You alright? They're done?
They're done.
Okay. While she gets her lunch situated, I'd just like to make a disclaimer. We are not sponsored by any of these people that we get this food from.
We wish we were.
Yeah, we wish we were. Yeah, we wish we were. A lot of the stuff we get is from the dollar store or ShopRite. Stuff like that.
Or Target.
Or Target. But yeah, so this is just like our opinions and our thoughts on shit. However, if anybody out there is watching our videos that like know people that want to sponsor us, hit us up. Like, seriously.
You're asking for money? Or are you asking for food?
Food! Because if they sponsor us, then we can use that money to put towards more food.
True.
See? Makes sense?
Yep.
Exactly. She doesn't get it.
Of course I don't get it.
It's Haley. Does she ever get it?
Yes.
I think the next thing we should try is a gummy.
Guess how much you paid for that gummy?
What?
9 cents.
For the gummies?
Yeah, there's a coupon.
From Gummy Factory?
Yeah.
Cool. So I think we're going to try the original Gummy Fun Mix Sour Party.
Yeah, the gummies I paid 9 cents.
We're going to try this.
Okay. Are you sure?
Just don't spill that sauce on me or I'll kill you.
Aw. You not a little saucy? Ugh. Okay, so in this fun mix, this sour party, there is fruit rings, seriously sour, mixed berries, gummy party, and gummy soda pops.
I love gummy soda pops.
Oh, wait, you also love, I don't know. This thing says there could be that many types. So let's see. It looks like the gummy straws, some gummy bears, and some gummy worms.
Alright, so I grabbed a bear. What else?
They like each other.
Okay, what other different one is there?
The worm.
Oh, okay. So I grabbed one of each.
Okay, I got a gummy bear. That's this thingy.
Mine's stuck together.
This one's different. One of these.
Sure. Throw it over.
And that's a wormy.
Alright.
I'm gonna try the wormy first.
Hold on.
It's decently sour, mine is.
It's not as sour as gummy bears that I've had before.
They're just chewy enough, but not too chewy. And that one had a big hit line.
I'm not really a fan of these little straw things because they have shit in them.
Yuck. So 2 out of 4 is actually pretty good. If they keep the strawy things out and just have the worms and teddies, we'd be good.
Or even throw in like the sour bottle pops because those are really good.
They said there's possibly 16 variations, but who knows? That we only had 4. What's the verdict with this one?
I don't like it.
Coworkers?
Mm-hmm. It's not really sour enough. Like, when I hear sour, I think, wow. And that didn't have the wow factor for me.
Okay, and then here is Gummy Fun Mix, the original type. From Gummy Factory. This is Gummy Party.
We had gummy party, now we have sour party.
Wow, this smells sweet from hell. Okay, so we have a shark.
Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby
Here's a
shark,
cherry.
do 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 do. Baby shark, do do do.
What the hell is this?
Baby shark.
Here, I got a shark.
Mommy shark, do 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 do.
Is that supposed to be a worm?
Yep. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do, do.
Gummy bear. So I got a gummy bear, a cherry.
Someone likes cherries.
Oh, what the hell this is?
Oh, what the hell that is. Nice.
A little wormy. Is that all of them?
I don't know. Is there any other one? You have the bag. Yeah, that's it.
So, let's start with what the hell.
What the fuck?
I have no idea what this is. It just looks like one of those you know, like the mint candies.
It looks like one of those knockoff dots. I know what it tastes like too. A knockoff version of those dots on.
I don't even like dots.
My mom loved dots.
Everybody else I know loves dots, but I don't. Little crawler. That is the juiciest gummy wormy thing I ever had. It's like it was made out of gel or something. Gummy bear. That is an extremely soft gummy bear.
I don't like it.
The other one was better. Cherry bomb. I'm finding the issue with their non-sour ones is they're a little too soft.
If you like cherry bombs, you need to try the drink. Vodka with cherries.
Okay, and the last up is the sharks. That had issues.
I'm not here.
You never are. My turn. Okay, so we've had the Kinder Joy. Now it's time for the bueno. This is from Kinder.
Oh. Oh, that's cool.
Yep. So this is apparently hazelnut. Oh,
I like hazelnut.
Mm-hmm.
You like hazelnut?
Yep. Good. That's an explosion of flavor in your mouth. You get the hazelnut, you get the cream, you get the chocolate is just like a Pierre Roger, but thick.
But in my opinion, it's too chocolatey.
That is sad. I love these things. I could eat this morning, noon, and night if it wasn't for the sugar problem. So mine?
Yep.
Woohoo, I got bueno. Okay. So, should we do the Rice Krispies or the fruit roll-up? Because we know we're doing the spicy shit at last.
How about we do fruit roll-up, the spicy thing, and then call it a day, so we can eat what's in front of us.
Okay, dokie. Okay. So, to deal with our fruit roll-ups, to
deal with our Halloween aspect of this video.
Not to mention the fact that we've already had Count Chocula.
Mm-hmm.
We got the frankenberry fruit roll-up thingies. This is strawberry scream.
Ah! So it's that kind of video.
We're just belting our asses off. Well, that smells like really fake. Thanks.
Fake nice. I like how it says rest in peace.
I would like it better if it actually came off. This is the part that I hate about these things is the peeling. Because it's so annoying. And there's always that one little end that gets stuck. You know?
I never had that problem because I always wrapped it around my thumb and I sucked on it.
Okay, so it does have like little designs that are kind of cool. It says spooky snack, frankenberry, and there's frankenberry with a gravestone. Rip off your piece. Tastes like plastic.
Tastes like a normal fruit roll-up.
It's plastic. Did I ever mention that I hate fruit roll-ups?
I love fruit roll-ups.
So do you want all those?
Yeah. I can munch on them while I'm here.
Congratulations, you leveled up. What do you want to do with this one? I just made a happy camper. Okay, and for our final part of this, holy cheese, spicy pepper jack, I'm going to kill her. I know, I picked it up. But so far,
keep that in mind.
This is the holy cheese trilogy so far. Ah. Do you like pepper jack cheese?
I don't know. I like cheese. Just not Swiss cheese.
Woo! That's pepper jack, all right. Mind you, I'm not a big fan of pepper jack because of how spicy it can be. This is why I pair it off with mozzarella and shit. What do you think?
It's spicy. I like cheese in general, but to me that seems a little too spicy. So I'm not a fan.
The workers are going to be happy.
So that's a wrap.
And she got mostly all the stuff.
That gets to stay here so I can, veg.
No. Catch you guys later.
Bye.